$180 per hour with this online side hustle. Well, that's what this TikTok said. Well, this is awkward. But yeah, I saw this TikTok claiming that you could earn $180 per hour working from home by literally just transcribing audio. Meaning you just listen to some audio clips and type out what's being said. I saw this and I thought, well, this is definitely something I should look into. So I did and found that there was this certain transcription platform that was highly recommended called Revver. I started looking around their website and saw that they had 3 freelancing options. The transcriptionist and captioner option, which paid up to $1.10 per minute, and the highest paying option of subtitler, which paid a whopping $3 per minute. So that multiplied by 60 minutes would mean you would be making $180 per hour. What? And even with the transcriptionist option, you could make $66 per hour. I don't know about you, but for me, that sounds like an hourly rate I would be willing to take. But there's one important thing to note here. The pay rate is based on audio minute, not the minutes you spend working. But looking more into it, the crazy thing that I found out is that Rev actually already provides a transcription that has been generated by their software, and literally all you have to do is check that auto-generated transcription and make any edits that are necessary. That's basically like all the work is already done for you. But this sounds too good to be true. So I decided to actually try this side hustle out and give you guys the inside scoop on how much I end up making as a Rev.com transcriber. All right, let's get into it. Alright, so here's the plan. I'm going to spend 2 hours actually doing these transcription jobs and see how much I end up making. And before I get started, I think I should mention that I already went through the registration and application process, which basically just consists of you doing the actual transcription and them seeing how accurate your transcription was. It was actually a pretty straightforward and easy process, but it did take them a while to process my application and give me access to the freelancing platform. So if this is something that you end up wanting to do, definitely register sooner rather than later so you can get started making money as soon as possible. I will include a referral link in the description. I don't know if they have referral links, but there will be some kind of link in the description. Alright, another thing I did was actually make sure I could cash out the money. So after I registered, I actually did a few short jobs just to make sure this wasn't a scam and I could actually pull out the money. So yeah, that process was easy and I think they pay out every Monday, but yeah, it's directly to your PayPal and the money's there. So yeah, it seems legit so far, but let's see how much money we can make off this side hustle. Alright, now let's get into it. Alright, 1 hour on the timer. Can you guys see that? Cool. Let's log in. I'm already logged in. Services, resources, enterprise, workspace. Boom. Okay, I might end up having to blur out some of this stuff because they do mention that this is like private information, you know, from their clients and stuff. So I think I can include and actually show the projects that are from them, like the test projects. But yeah, let's get into it. Timer starts now. Here we go, Rev training. Cool. So you see we get 40 cents per minuto, I think. Pay total 48. Boom, let's go. Holy sh**, I cannot even understand that one. Alright, so we're gonna submit this first project. We'll see how this goes. We made a whopping 40 cents. Uh-oh. Yes, I acknowledge all 3 errors. So that was the end of hour 1. Let's see how much money I ended up making. Let's see, my work, earnings. Oh my god, that's terrible. Within 1 hour, I was able to complete basically about 3 minutes of work. What the hell? Okay. Here's the issues I found. Both the audios that I tried were actually like these sample audio things that had like intermediate or were like advanced levels, and they actually required me to do research and figure out these names and spellings of like certain words I was hearing, and so that actually took a long time. I don't know if the actual projects, the ones that aren't like for practice, are actually this hard. Let's keep trying. Let's see what happens in hour 2. See, 7 minutes. This whole job pays $6. Let's see if I'm able to do it. Oh my god, I'm worn out, guys. This gave me a headache listening to the audio I just had to listen to. But it's kind of cool. I saw what reality TV looks like. They definitely just feed the words to the reality TV stars. Anyways, yeah, I went from making a whopping about $1, I don't know, I'll put it on the screen how much I made in the first hour, to making a whopping $6.08 on the second hour. Boom. That's a hell of a increase right there. I'm pretty sure someone else could work twice as fast as me, so, you know, if you're down for making $12 an hour, boom. This is the job for you. I re-listened to the audio a second time, which I could have just thoroughly done it the first time, instead of going through a second time. Also, I think the pay increases after about 45 minutes of processed audio. Let me add some notes in the end about how much increase on the pay you actually get once you become a Revver. I'll put more information once I figure it out, and yeah, I think someone could make $12 an hour doing this, maybe. So yeah, I was still getting used to the interface and having to look up certain functions, but once someone is used to all the keyboard shortcuts and things like that, I'm pretty sure you can lock in $10 per hour. And once you become a Revver, the 25% pay increase would bring that to $12.50 per hour. Also, the job I took paid 40 cents per audio minute, but there were jobs that were paying 80 cents per minute. So that in itself would bring the $6.08 that I ended up making in the second hour to $12.16. So yeah, I estimated at the 40 cent per minute pay rate, you could make about $10 per hour. Well, keeping with that same pace at 80 cents per audio minute, that would mean $20 per hour. I don't know, seems achievable. So if you want, definitely give it a try and stick with it past that learning curve, because I think at that point you will make a decent hourly rate. But yeah, definitely let me know in the comments what other side hustles you want me to try, and definitely give this video a thumbs up for the almighty YouTube algorithm, because that really helps me out, so I would greatly appreciate it. And definitely subscribe. I got some really cool side hustles that you will want to stay tuned for. But yeah, I will see you then. Thanks.